Hi, I'm Jeff Cronenfeld, the Capital Reports Coordinator for the Arizona Capital Times, and this is another LOLA training video. Today I'll be covering LOLA's reports function, which is a way users can turn tracking lists or search results into reports that can be modified to include different information fields and shared with both other LOLA users and non-LOLA users. To generate a report using a tracking list, from the dashboard, click the My Tracks tab. This will bring you to the My Tracks page, which includes your tracking lists and your LOLA user group's shared tracking lists, organized alphabetically by track name. To generate a report from a tracking list, click the Run Report button under the Report column. You can also generate a report from a tracking list by going to the Track Name column and clicking the track's name. This will bring you to the tracking lists page where you can generate a report by clicking the Generate Report button. When the report generates, you'll see a preview of the report, which by default includes each bill's number, short title, sponsor, and summary. You can also generate reports using a search by typing into the search bar and clicking the search button. Then click the Generate Report button. This will generate a report including all the search results. To save a report, click the Save tab at the top of the report table. You can either accept the default title or type into the report titles bar and add a title of your choosing. Please note you can also download the report as a Excel compatible file or as a Microsoft Word document. To access saved reports from the dashboard, scroll down to the My Saved Reports tile, where you'll see a list of your report's titles and the number of bills included. You can access each report by clicking its title. You can also access the My Reports page from here by clicking the View All button. From the My Reports page, you can access reports by clicking their title, and you can view other info on reports, like their creation date, number of bills included, the creator's name, and you can also open shareable reports and access Excel-compatible or Word-compatible forms of the reports, as well as you can delete reports. To customize your report, click into the report, and then click the Formatting Options tab, where you'll find over a dozen fields you can include and ways to change the sort order, grouping, shareability, and to add a logo. Please note that to enact and preserve changes made to reports, you need to click the Save Report Options button. To add a new field to your report, check the box next to the field name. And to remove one, simply uncheck the box. Please also note that the related bills and text fields are non-functional and will soon be removed. You can change the sort order here to be chronological by the date of introduction, oldest to newest, or in reverse chronological order. Here you have 7 options for grouping bills in a report. Here you can add logos to reports by clicking the Choose File button and selecting your desired file. Please note, LOLA only accepts JPEG and PNG file types for logos. Finally, to make a report shareable, click the box next to Make This Report Shareable. This will cause a shareable link to appear below. This link is also a URL that can be copied and pasted into a web browser search bar. You can also email or otherwise share this URL with LOLA users and non-LOLA users alike. Once again, remember to save your changes by clicking the Save Report Options button. Another way to share reports is through the Email tab. Simply type the email or emails you want to share the report with into the to text bar. To send the report to multiple email accounts, separate the email addresses with semicolons. By default, the tracking list's name appears as the email subject, and this message will appear in the body. To send the report, simply click the Send Email button. This completes this training video. Thank you for your time and business, and please have a great day.